Hey y'all, I'm Carolina Tony. Today the road brings us to Bennettsville, South Carolina, or just outside of Bennettsville, and I am on this beautiful cypress pond, mill pond if you will. This area is known as the Burnt Factory. Let me show you what's here. About 1836, William T. Ellerby and John McQueen and John Phillips built a cotton mill near here. Power for the operation of the mill came from the water of the nearby Crooked Creek. Ellerby and Williams sold their stock in the mill to Meek and Townsend in 1844. The mill was destroyed by fire in 1851, and this is what we have left today. And when I was a teenager, I remember hearing a lot of our friends talk about going to the Burnt Factory, and they'd go out and park and drink. Somehow the Burnt Factory was something I managed to miss. I'm not exactly sure how. I know it's hard to believe, but I do believe, I think this is the first time I've ever been here. Well, I hope you have enjoyed learning a little bit about the Burnt Factory near Bennettsville, South Carolina. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give us a big old thumbs up. Be sure to share with your family and friends. But until next time, y'all have a good day.